More than 1200 years ago, a child was born in Kerala who would completely reshape Hindu and world philosophy. His name was Adi Shankaracharya. By the age of 8, he had already mastered the Ved, Upanishad, and sacred texts. Soon after, he renounced worldly life and became a sannyasi, seeking the highest truth of Brahm. But Shankaracharya was not just a monk, he was one of the greatest debaters in Indian history. Traveling across the entire subcontinent in what is called the Digvijay, he challenged the leading scholars of different philosophical schools, Mimamsa, Bauddha Darshan, Sankhya, and others. His most famous debate was with the great scholar Mandan Mishra. The topic of the debate was profound. Is liberation achieved through karmakand and rituals, or through Gyan, the knowledge of Brahm? According to tradition, the debate lasted for days, and the judge was Ubhay Bharti, the wife of Mandan Mishra, who herself was a brilliant philosopher, who later debated him, and he also won the debate with her. When Shankaracharya finally won the debate, Mandan Mishra became his disciple and later a great philosopher himself. Shankaracharya also debated many Bauddha philosophers and won debates with them, challenging the idea of Shunyavad and arguing that the ultimate reality is Brahm and the Atma is not separate from it. Shankaracharya wrote profound commentaries on the Upanishad, Bhagavad Gita, and Brahma Sutra, establishing the philosophy of Advait Vedant, the idea that ultimate reality is Brahm and the Atma is not separate from it. He also established 4 great math across India in Sringeri, Dwarka, Puri and Jyotirmath to preserve spiritual knowledge. And the most astonishing part, he accomplished all of this before the age of 32. In just 3 decades of life, Adi Shankaracharya revived Sanatan Dharma and left behind the most powerful philosophical systems humanity has ever known. Subscribe to Hindu Horizons and beyond for more such videos on Hindu philosophy.